you have to be clear on what it is that you want to write. What it is that you want to do. Write for an audience, determine who you are. Ako, when I wrote this, I did not think of that, no. I wanted to convey a message. Don't think about sisikat yung libro mo or maraming bibili. That's not the point. That's not the point.
Yeah.
That should not be the point, no. If you've had that inspiration to write, it came from somewhere, and it could be a leading of what you are meant to do. Just do it now. But that writing requires a certain kind of discipline. And I learned this when I was doing my master's thesis. When I was doing my master's thesis, I was running a business. My wife and I were raising a family. So, ang daming mga, concerns, na parang, it's so easy to say na, hindi, wag na lang, saka na lang ito. Pero nandun na ako, I started it. I wanted to finish it. So what I did is, you just need to discipline yourself to allocate a certain portion every day. Right. Kahit wala kang naiisip, kahit wala kang maisulat, no? Allocate, no? So I would allocate 30 minutes sa gabi, no? Kahit antok na ako, kahit pagod na ako, I would just write.